Welcome to Demystifying AI, the series where we break down the complex world of artificial intelligence into bite-sized pieces. In this episode, we'll lay the groundwork by exploring the basic concepts and terminology of AI. So if you're new to AI or just want a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. This includes the ability to learn, reason and solve problems. At its core, AI is about making machines intelligent. AI equals machine intelligence. Now, within the realm of AI, there are two key subfields, narrow AI and general AI. IA versus IA general. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed for a specific task, such as image recognition or language translation. General AI, on the other hand, is more like human intelligence, capable of understanding and performing a wide range of tasks. Narrow AI specific task, general AI wide range of tasks. Key AI terminology. Artificial intelligence, AI, the field of computer science that focuses on creating machines and software that can perform tasks that require human-like intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Machine learning, ML, a subset of AI that involves training machines to learn from data and improve their performance on specific tasks over time, without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural networks, deep neural networks, to address complex tasks such as image recognition, natural language understanding, and autonomous driving. Neural network, a computational model inspired by the human brain, consisting of interconnected nodes, neurons, organized in layers. Neural networks are used in many AI applications for pattern recognition and decision-making. Natural language processing, NLP, the branch of AI focused on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language, enabling tasks such as language translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbots. Supervised learning, a type of machine learning in which an algorithm is trained with labeled data, with input and output pairs, to make predictions or classifications based on new, unseen data. Unsupervised learning, a machine learning approach in which the algorithm learns patterns and structures in data without explicit labels. Common tasks include clustering and dimensionality reduction. Reinforcement learning, a machine learning paradigm in which an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or punishments. Algorithm, a set of rules or procedures that guide a computer program to perform specific tasks or calculations, such as sorting data, making predictions, or optimizing processes. Training data, the data set used to teach a machine learning model during the training phase. It consists of input data and the corresponding outputs or correct labels. Feature engineering, the process of selecting, transforming, or creating new features, input variables, from raw data to improve the performance of a machine learning model. Bias and fairness, concerns related to the ethical and social implications of AI systems, including the potential for biases in data and algorithms that can lead to unfair or discriminatory results. AI ethics, the study of the moral and ethical issues surrounding the development and use of artificial intelligence, including topics such as transparency, accountability, and privacy. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, a hypothetical form of AI that possesses human-level intelligence, capable of understanding and performing a wide range of tasks in different domains. Algorithmic bias, the presence of unfair or discriminatory results in AI systems, often due to biased training data or biased design choices in the algorithms. Specific AI task, wide range of general AI tasks. Machine learning. And there you have it, a brief overview of AI basics and some key terminology. Remember, AI is a vast and evolving field, so don't worry if it seems complex at first. In this series, we will continue to explore AI topics and gradually develop your understanding. In short, AI is about making machines intelligent and covers various subfields such as machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, and natural language processing. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our journey towards AI. That's all for today's episode of Demystifying AI. Thank you for joining us on this AI adventure. Stay curious and see you in the next video as we continue to unravel the world of artificial intelligence.